We'll see the Sam Houston statue off of 45. Now let me turn this camera around so you can see. So they've got restrooms in case you need to use the restroom. And they've got a center where you can buy some gifts. And we're now on the trail. And you can see that's the statue right there. They've got some bench seats. Yes? Yeah, it's over there. Got some bench seats. And yeah, it's looking good. Beautiful day. Look at the man right there. So we're gonna go. We're gonna walk to the front. Yeah. The city of Huntsville. How long we've been here in Houston? It's the first time we've ever actually stopped here. So, right. A tribute to Courage David Addicts, 1994. That's the sculptor. So look at that. Sam's code of conduct. For your safety and the safety of Big Sam, please do not climb the base. So no climbing the base, guys. Look at that. Looks like they're doing some gardening right now. So, we're gonna go walk to the front area. Yeah. Look at the statue. Come here. Look here. Right here, Bev. There you have it, y'all.